The manual to power brake conversion kit by LEED Brakes for the 76 to 86 Jeep CJ7 will have you stopping way smoother with those bigger wheels and tires. This kit from LEED Brakes comes in zinc or a full chrome design. This product is available for disc drum, disc, or drum application with or without the adjustable proportion valve. There will be no more janky stops with this kit. You will stop smoother, with a better feel and more confidence after converting your CJ7 from manual brakes to power brakes. This brake conversion kit is tailored specifically to your vehicle. There are many varieties of product to fit your exact brake application. The rod comes preset. This takes the guesswork out of installation and makes it an easy couple-hour job. Remember, bench bleeding is a must before installing onto your Jeep. This unit ships pre-assembled to preset the push rod between the booster and the master cylinder for a natural fitment right out of the box. This product is a direct bolt-on for Jeep CJs and comes with a 1-year manufacturer warranty. If you are interested in purchasing the manual to power brake conversion kit by LEED Brakes, or you would like to have them installed, check out our dealer locator below. And don't forget to subscribe for new product videos. Thanks for hanging out, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.